Okay, so I just came across Tailguard, this Docker container that connects WireGuard servers to the Tailscale network.
Wait, really? That sounds super useful. How does it even work with those two different systems?
Well, it's like a bridge, allowing point-to-point connections where you can access your WireGuard network through the Tailscale virtual network.
So you're saying it simplifies things. But isn't a direct WireGuard connection usually more straightforward?
Right, that's the catch. For most, direct connections are easier, but Tailguard has some unique benefits.
Oh, like what? I'm intrigued. What are those benefits?
Well, one major advantage is that it centralizes key management. The WireGuard private key exists only in one place.
Wow, that's actually clever. So if you add a new device, you just log in through SSO instead of juggling keys.
Exactly. Plus, you can switch between exit nodes in your tailnet without reconnecting to different VPNs.
That sounds convenient. But what if you have a mobile device that doesn't support multiple VPNs?
That's another win for Tailguard. You can access both your tailnet and WireGuard simultaneously.
Fascinating. It's like having your cake and eating it too in terms of networking.
Totally. You can even connect your home network via a router that only supports WireGuard.
Interesting. But isn't there some complexity in the installation process?
A little, but it's manageable. You just create a WireGuard client config and run it through Docker.
Right, I get it. And what about network settings? I imagine you'd need to set up some routes.
Exactly, you have to specify the right subnets so Tailguard can manage the routing for you.
Okay, but I wonder how it handles the reverse direction for traffic coming back from Tailscale to WireGuard.
Good point. WireGuard doesn't automatically do that, so you need to add specific routes manually.
Wow, that adds a layer of complexity. I can see how that might confuse some users.
Right, but as long as you have the right setup, Tailguard should handle forwarding smoothly.
So if I'm understanding correctly, this could be a powerful tool for certain setups.
Absolutely, especially for users wanting the flexibility of both technologies.
What do you think might be a limitation users should keep in mind?
I think the reliance on the proper configuration could trip up some users. They might overlook critical routes.
True, there's also the potential latency issue, depending on the server used for the bridge.
Exactly, so finding a VPS close to your WireGuard server is key. Minimal ping is preferred.
Got it, so setting up correctly is essential, but the rewards could be significant.
Yes, the convenience and security benefits make it a compelling option for complex networks.
I can see how this could change the game for managing multiple VPNs.
It really could, and it's fascinating how it converges two different networking technologies.
Right, and connecting it to something as user-friendly as Tailscale makes it even more appealing.
Totally, I think a lot of tech enthusiasts might appreciate Tailguard's approach.
It's a great blend of flexibility and control. I can definitely see its value.
So if you had to summarize the biggest takeaway from all this, what would it be?
I'd say the ease of key management and simultaneous access really stand out as game changers.
Agreed, but users should be cautious about the routing setup needed for full functionality.
Definitely, balancing convenience with complexity is key here.
And who knows what other innovations might arise from this merging of technologies.
Exactly. It feels like we're just scratching the surface of what's possible.
Exciting times for networking for sure. I can't wait to see how this evolves.
Me too. It's a fascinating area to watch unfold. What else is on the horizon?